Ever looked at a photo and wondered, is this real or AI generated? With AI tools creating images so realistic, it's harder than ever to tell the difference. But here's the twist, most AI detectors just shout fake without explaining why. Today, we're exploring a game-changing system called ForenX, a tool that doesn't just catch fakes, but tells you exactly how it knows. Let's break it down. So why is this a big deal? Imagine scrolling through social media and seeing a photo of a celebrity doing something impossible. How do you know it's not real? Traditional AI detectors act like a flashlight in a dark room. They spot some clues, like strange pixel patterns or weird lighting, but they miss the bigger story. They're like a detective who only checks the suspect's shoes, not the fingerprints at the crime scene. Take this example. A photo of a man with an oddly uneven beard, a lanyard that doesn't fit, and no visible microphone stand. A human might notice these glitches, but standard AI tools, they just say AI generated without a clue why. That's where ForenX steps in. Think of it as a detective with a superpowered brain. How does it work? ForenX uses a multimodal AI, a system that sees images and reads text. But here's the clever part. It's trained with forensic prompts like a detective's checklist. These prompts guide the AI to look for hidden clues, like unnatural object placements or physics-defying details. It's not just about patterns, it's about reasoning. The researchers didn't stop there. They built a dataset called ForgeryReason, where humans and AI collaborators labeled thousands of AI-generated images with detailed explanations. Think of it as a treasure map for fakes. By combining this data with their forensic prompts, ForenX doesn't just guess, it understands. Here's what makes this breakthrough exciting. ForenX's explanations align with how humans think. When it flags an image, it points out specific issues, like the missing microphone stand in our example. This transparency is a game changer. It's not just about catching fakes, it's about building trust in AI systems. But here's the catch, no system is flawless. A bird's head might look too big, but without context, is that a flaw or a creative choice? That's why researchers are constantly improving datasets and training methods. It's like teaching AI to think more like a human, by learning from millions of real and fake images, and getting better at spotting the subtle clues we often miss. ForenX doesn't just guess, it explains its reasoning. Think of it like a detective that doesn't just say this is fake, but also points out why. Maybe the lighting is too uniform or the hair strands look disconnected. It's not just about spotting flaws, it's about giving us a clear roadmap of how AI leaves its digital fingerprints. So what's next? As AI gets better at creating fake images, tools like ForenX will be critical in keeping our digital world honest. And remember, the more we understand these systems, the better equipped we are to navigate a world where reality is getting harder to define. Thanks for watching. If you want to dive deeper into how AI detection works, or see more examples of these digital fingerprints, hit that like button and subscribe. Stay curious, and we'll tackle the next mystery together. Because in the world of AI, the truth is always worth uncovering.